Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. With me on video chat, I got my lovely lady friend Lina Desperza, and we're gonna teach you how to virtual date.
Thanks, Gigi. So, you want to dress to impress. So, Gigi, stand up and show us what you're wearing.
Well, I'm not wearing pants.
What? Why not?
You can end a date with no pants, but you can't start a date with no pants? It's ridiculous.
Are you in the bathroom?
What's wrong with the bathroom? Between the shower and the can, I do my best thinking in here.
You're on the toilet right now? Gigi, you're disgusting. This is a date.
It's not real, it's virtual.
What the hell does that mean?
I'm virtually dressed to impress, but really, I'm pantsless on the can. We're virtually on a hot date, but really, we're just two pathetic losers home alone on a Saturday night.
You're a real pain in my ass. You know that?
Actually, I'm a virtual pain in your ass. Although, I do suddenly feel a real pain in my ass. So let me call you back. Give me a second. Let me
God.
Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. I'm on video chat with my brother-in-law, John Castellotieri, and we're going to show you how to exercise at home.
Thanks, Gigi. So, the first thing you want to do is stretch.
Stretch? Whoa. Everyone knows stretch is a hoax.
A hoax, it's science.
It's disinformation.
Alright, Gigi, why don't you come over here and show us how you warm up?
What are you, nuts? I'm not going over there.
Why? You're right across the street. I can see you through the window.
It's flu season. You're not in my bubble.
I'm not in your bubble. You're in my bubble.
Just because I'm in your bubble doesn't mean you're in my bubble. They're two different bubbles.
Two different bubbles? What are you doing in two different bubbles? You can't double bubble.
I can double bubble. Who said I can't double bubble? That's more disinformation.
Well, in my bubble, that's a fact.
Well, in my bubble, that's bullshit.
Alright, why don't you give me 5 minutes in your bubble?
There's no room in my bubble. If I let anyone else in my bubble might burst.
Burst? That's a bit of a stretch.
I told you stretching's a hoax.
That's it. I'm breaching your bubble.
Don't you breach my bubble. John, stay in your God damn it, John. Stay in your fucking bubble. John. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. I'm on video chat with my Ukrainian cleaning lady, Larysa Boychenko, and we're going to teach you how to self-quarantine.
Hello, Mr. Gaguzzi.
Self-quarantine is necessary if you think you've been exposed to an infectious disease.
Yes, very necessary.
Yesterday, my brother's sister-in-law coughed on my face.
In 1986, I forcibly removed from Chernobyl exclusion zone.
Apparently, I could be asymptomatic after staying home for 2 weeks.
I developed rash and quarantined in Soviet Russia for 7 months.
Even though I'm probably fine, I had to miss my nephew's baptism on Saturday.
I stay in potted cell with no sunlight. Each day, KGB take blood and conduct invasive experiments.
I mean, I FaceTimed in and my sister brought me a plate of lasagna, but it's not the same.
My family assume I die from radiation poisoning and have funeral in my honor.
So, if you're self-quarantined and know you're making the ultimate sacrifice for the greater good, son of a bitch! Thank you, sweetheart.
I finished bathroom now, Mr. Gaguzzi?
Yeah, sure.
Sophia.
Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. With me, I got my pastry chef's goddaughter, Sammy Samazzano, and we're going to show you how to online order panettone.
Thanks, Guido. So panettone is an Italian fruitcake with a reputation for being regifted at Christmas. I just sent one to Mom, and she sent it to...
Whose mom? My mom?
No, my mom.
Oh, because you just said mom. It could be anybody's mom.
I sent the panettone to my mom, and she sent it to Auntie Ella,
Who's Auntie Ella?
She's Mom's sister.
Whose mom?
My mom! Jesus! So Auntie Ella sent the panettone to Nonna.
Who's Nonna? My Nonna or your Nonna?
Nino's Nonna.
Who the fuck is Nino's Nonna? You know, Sammy, everybody doesn't know everybody you know.
I know.
I don't think you know. It's called context. You gotta provide context.
Well, I don't want to provide context.
Are you insane? You can't just walk around telling stories with zero fucking context like some sort of a delinquent psychopath who has... Wait, do you mean Nino, what's his name? The guy who works the place with the thing? His Nonna?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say so? She just sent me this panettone. Give me your address, I'll send it to you. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. I'm on video chat with my Australian cousin, Gregory Gaguzzi, and we're going to teach you how to socially distance. Thanks, Guido. So the best way to socially distance is to get out in the open. I like to take a walk about in the bush and head to the outback. Outback or what? The outback. What the hell are you doing in the outback? Why not go in the front? No, Guido, I'm in the outback over here, down under. Wait, you're over here? Not there, here. I'm in the outback over here, down under. Oh, you speak in Australian. So out the in front, under there, up over. Out the in front, under there, up over. Yeah, isn't everything over there upside down? Well, I reckon, Guido, it all depends on your perspective. I'd say under here, it's downside up. Right. You mean wrong. I don't understand. You mean you don't oversit? Wait, are you trying to put one over me? You mean under? You always go overboard, Greg. Everyone in the family says so. I go underboard? We talking behind my back, Guido? No. Technically, behind your back is your front. I'm talking in front of your back. If I'm talking behind your back, I'm talking in front of your front. Because your front, it's behind your back. That's the right piece of logic, mate. Good on you. Good on me? You're being ridiculous. This conversation's over. You mean under? Under what? Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. I'm here with my pal Philly Friscoletti, and we're gonna show you how to homeschool your kids.
Thanks, Gigi. Now, not for nothing, I love my kids. But not for nothing, homeschooling ain't easy. Not for nothing.
Philly, all due respect, I think you may be overusing not for nothing.
Overusing not for nothing?
All due respect.
Well, not for nothing, Gigi. You might be overusing all due respect.
I'm not overusing all due respect.
You're overusing all due respect.
Philly, I'm using the appropriate amount of all due respect. You can't compare not for nothing and all due respect.
What's wrong with not for nothing?
Nothing's wrong with not for nothing. You're just showing little respect for all due respect.
Honestly, Gigi, it's all for naught.
All for naught. It's not all for naught.
It's all for naught.
No, it's not. I swear, Philly, sometimes talking to you is just forget about it.
Forget about what?
Forget about it.
You forget about it.
You forget about it. Why do I even want to forget about it? I always forget about everything. This one time I'm not going to forget about it. You forget about it.
Not for nothing. What the hell are we even talking about?
With all due respect, Philly, I forget. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. I'm here to show you how to do remote therapy with my cousin's cam doctor, Ezra Shlomo.
Hello.
Hey, Doc, how's your mother doing?
She's good, thank you. So, the goal of remote therapy is to learn...
Hey, Doc, just out of curiosity, how many people are on this thing right now?
Well, it's just me and you, Guido. This is private.
Oh, we got a private session, so that's going to cost me a bit more, I guess, huh?
No, just a standard hourly fee.
Can I at least tip?
I'm sorry, tip?
Yeah, drop a few tokens, show my appreciation.
Guido, I think you're confusing this with some sort of virtual sexual performance.
Oh, that's interesting.
What's interesting?
You don't think you deserve to feel appreciated.
Okay, Guido, I'm the therapist here.
I'd say that says something about your relationship with relationships. Maybe even your relationship with your mother.
Why do you keep bringing up my mother?
Isn't that what therapy is? We sit around and talk about our mothers?
Maybe your mother, Guido, whose smothering clearly did a number.
You don't think your mother smothered? Your mother smothered more than my mother.
This is not a contest about who had the most smothering mother. Again, you're confused.
Ma, what do you think?
Ma che stai guardando? Sempre con I video sporchi. Gigi.
She disagrees. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootzz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootzz. With me, I got my wife's brother, John Castellotieri, on video chat, and we're going to show you how to find a 12-step meeting online.
Thanks, Gigi. Online recovery is just like in-person recovery, okay? You got a speaker and, of course, time for sharing.
Sharing? Sharing what?
Sharing experience, strength, and hope.
With strangers?
Yeah, that's how it works.
On the internet?
On everywhere.
John, I just saw that Netflix documentary. What the hell are you doing sharing personal experience on the internet?
I'm sharing experiences related to recovery, okay? Last week I shared about the Spritz bar, Frankie Frappa's wedding.
What'd you share about me?
Share about you. I didn't share nothing about you.
Oh, I'm not important enough to share about? I was at Frankie Frappa's wedding. I was drinking spritzes.
Well, do you want me to share about you?
Of course not. Not with Zuckerberg listening in.
Zuckerberg's not listening in.
Zuckerberg's always listening in.
Yeah, I'm sure the billionaire founder of Facebook is listening in to online recovery meetings to hear me talk about blacking out at the Spritz bar at Frankie Frappa's, wedding.
I just realized I'm all out of oranges.